In this video, we are installing our 1874 door panel. First of all, we recommend taking off the negative battery cable off of your battery. This customer's door panel was in pretty bad shape. Remove the bracket as seen here, it will not be needed. Put the new Coverlay door panel up to your door and route the handle assembly through the opening. Install the 7mm screw into the back of this door handle. Now is a good time to put on the trim piece around the pull lock on the door. Plug back in your switch wiring for your power door locks and windows. When you reinstall this switch, put the front end first and then push the back down. Now install the screw above the door handle. Don't forget to install the trim piece behind the door handle. Now secure the new door panel into the window groove and line up on the door correctly. Make sure the Christmas tree fasteners are in the right place before you snap them in. Using a 1/8 drill bit, drill through the holes in the new Coverlay panel into the sheet metal of the door, being careful not to penetrate too far into the door. Install the screws that come with your hardware kit. Note that the 1 1/4 screws go at the door handle area and the 1-inch screw goes up in the horn near the window. Reinstall the pull lock as seen here. Enjoy your new set of Coverlay door panels. Contact us with any questions. Thanks for watching.